Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. If you want to expand your online or dropship business to the USA or any other country, companies like eBay, Amazon, PayPal, etc., they're going to require you to have a phone number in that country. This week's video blog shows how to get a free phone number in the USA in just 3 steps. And you can use this exact same strategy to get a phone number in over 100 other different countries as well, if you want to. But before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step-by-step how anyone can build a 7-digit online business from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. So let's launch straight into it. The website that we're currently using to do this is hexnow.com, and I'll put a link on the screen and below the video. When you go to textnow.com, click on the hyperlink that says sign up for free. Then just enter your details, and then TextNow will ask you for an area code. Here I entered 718 for New York, and bingo, I now have a free USA phone number. Now, if somebody calls that number, I can talk to them for free on my computer, or even better, you can download the TextMore app on your mobile phone, and again for free. Then as soon as somebody calls it, your computer and your mobile phone will both ring. If you want to know more about how to expand your online or dropship business to other countries, I've got an entire free course. I'll put a link on the screen and below. I hope this video helped you with how to get a free USA phone number. Please leave me a comment below, and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step-by-step how anyone can build a 7-digit online business from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.